Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. Remember that if you do like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. This morning I got a text message from my daughter's school, her secondary school that she goes to now, warning parents to check their daughter's Instagram accounts, should they happen to have any, because apparently some people have been setting up accounts pretending to be the school and then going through school pupils and trying to get them to link or add their accounts. The school reassured us that it would never do this itself, and said it would be taking legal action against the people who'd set up these fake accounts. I explained this to my daughter, and she was then quite bemused as to why this might happen. Mercifully, my daughter doesn't have a mobile phone and has basically little or no interest in social media. But I still explained to her that things like Instagram are very attractive to paedophiles and the like, because they can get in contact with young girls and pretend to be different people and get access to their accounts and so on. If you say paedophiles and the like, it means and people like this. So, in this context, it might mean other people who wanted to groom young people for various dubious purposes. You might also say, for example, that, a trendy new nightclub attracts pop stars, models, footballers, and the like. Or when you're explaining the area you live in, you might tell me that there's a park near where you live that has courts for tennis and basketball and the like. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It helps us with the algorithm. Share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use and the like.